Chief Dr. Ebenezer Okorodudu has been named as replacement for the vacant office of Executive Director, Projects in the Delta State Oil Producing Areas Development Commission, DESOPADEC, as the state governor, Elder Sheriff Oborevwori, rolls out a long list of nominees, including confirmation of orders into various boards and parastatals in the state. Until this development, Dr. Okorodudu was the chairman of the Delta Printing and Publishing Company Limited, publishers of the state-owned Puente newspaper, and doubles as the state public secretary of the People's Democratic Party, EDP. Governor Oborevwori had transmitted names of the nominees through letters to the State Assembly, which were read by the Speaker, Right Honorable Imomotimi Guwo, during plenary Tuesday 26 November 2024. The massive move covers nominees for the Delta State Sports Commission, the Delta State Public Procurement Commission, the Delta State House of Assembly Commission, and the Delta State Oil Producing Areas Development Commission, DESOPADEC. Also among the list of agencies were the Traffic Management Authority Board, the Waste Management Board, and the Delta State Urban Water Board. Subsequently, the State Assembly has promptly directed all the nominees to submit at least 35 copies of their curriculum vitae, expected to reach the office of the Clerk of the House, Mr. Otto Agogoya, on or before Monday, December 2nd, prior to their subsequent appearances for screening the next day, Tuesday, December 3rd this year.